grease pencil to try to draw.
I think I'm going to use the stencil. Let me see what this looks like without. Let's see, paint. I need paint. A contrasting color. Let's go with this and see what this looks like. And I need something to paint with here, don't I? Okay. I think I want it darker than that, which means I'm going to add a little bit of the marine back to that, and that'll, add something to it because it'll be in the background also. Yeah, that's what I want, is that blend. So let's see what that looks like.
Oh, I can't get rid of the grease pencil.
This on a piece of scratch paper and see if that's what I want. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, so I'm going to put my stencil on here.
Says it still isn't quite 100% dry, but I think I need to narrow this actually down here at the bottom. That goes out that way. And then it comes down more like that. So I'm going to get some black paint. Maybe that was a little bit too harsh. Not quite that much, but more like. At any rate, you should be able to see what that is. I would hope.
That in the water. Well, you're painting out a whole image, huh?
Well, I figured I'd make the shape of Africa.
Yeah, cool.
Why not?
Why not?
Then I have to have something on the inside of it too, so.
Yeah, well, the next step is use colored pencils to create colors and texture over the paint.
Right.
So I'm going to have to put this back over so that I can do something over the top of that. Let me think. I need to glue that down in place with some tape.
Okay. I don't really like that very much. It's too dark. It's too stark.
Well, but you're going to put something over it, so hey.
I also want to put something on the inside here, like, I don't know, a tree or an animal or a person.